good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're going to watch this video. My name is Frances Foy. You're welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the best. I love and appreciate you all. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is Vlogmass. Guys, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Press the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Guys, I'm going today for a workshop, a business workshop. I've been going for this workshop for the past over three months ago. I went for it and now I'm going for it again. Guys, stay tuned as we are going to this workshop together. It's a 3 days workshop, so stay tuned, guys. As you can see, this is very early in the morning. It's about 7 something. I'm going there, guys, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Guys, are you seeing? Guys, it's December now and it's Harmattan time in Sierra Leone. The weather is very, 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 very cold. The weather is very, very cold, guys. The dew, the bed, everywhere is cold now. Harmattan season. Well, we enjoy it. I love Harmattan season. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go together, right? Auntie Mata money. Nobody. Guys, I'm at the junction now. As you can see, most people have not yet come. Most people have not yet come. Shops have not been open. It's very early, guys. As you can see. Over there is the park to go to Freetown. These are taxis leaving for going to Freetown. But their own Freetown is Waterloo. They stopped at Waterloo. Yes, guys. They stopped at Waterloo. That is where their own Freetown stopped. So unless you take another vehicle to go inside the city, guys. So guys, we're in the junction. This is it. It's okay. I'll see you when I get to the place, guys. I'll see you when I get to the place. Okay? We are going to workshop. I am going to workshop. This is my previous document of my materials. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll see you Another actual video. Guys, as you see on TikTok, I follow you on TikTok. So no, we're gonna say it again. So guys, we are here. This is our YouTube. I can post my YouTube, TikTok, and YouTube. Okay. You know the upload them. I'm thinking I'm more YouTube. YouTube they pay now everyone. Pay 1,000 subscribers. So maybe 1,000 subscribers. Now go look good. But we see don't get on there. For grow up now, someone get how many million followers. Can they see that? Make money, billions, buy more. Oh, purpose. I mean, this are the developers say I'm not say next year they spend. I don't reach 1,000 subscribers. There's 351 subscribers. Guys, good thing. Life with Francis. I'm telling my friend about my YouTube channel for her to subscribe, and I'm going to subscribe to her also. What's your name? Teresa Kamal. Okay. Guys, are you seeing? Guys, look at the project. And I was like, big thing. I don't want something to be big television, baby. I don't want small one. I want to see, yeah. Guys, we are here. Breakfast time. We've taken our first exam. We started exams. Guys, breakfast time. I'm waiting for the crowd to reduce. Breakfast time. We've taken our first exams. It starts with exams. Objective questions and answers about marketing. What do you understand, guys? I'm gonna pass it. Brought mine, a bread, a milk, and my heart water. Atta. How do you do? No, talk. No, don't talk. Guys, I brought my own. Look at the hot water. Let me mix my tea. Let's see. No, you don't want to put it on it. I don't know, look at it. I can't present on behalf of the three. The number one question is, what was useful from 21? The answer is, 21 help us to keep our records in daily basis. 21 help me to keep records them every blessed day. Because as well, so many people are training. We know the So that's number one there. And one thing says, what do you use in your work? Well, for keep them with daily basis record they have to, we say it helps us to use inventory and daily record book, which are cash books and sales records. So now the thing another will use for keeping record them on daily basis. And the one to say, what positive effect did you experience? We say prepare financial recording. Sorry, proper financial recording. Now the experience that day where we pay. We know how much we spend, how much they come inside, we get together positive experiences. One question 2 says, what challenges did you experience since 21? We say 1, short training interval. Like where mode 1 camp, another say mode 2 camp. So now the challenges in another will be kept. Time not be too long for the school and mode. So it's too short for the year. The B say, we say, why did you have this problem? We say the workload was too much. The module and the too big and Boku for land in that short period. So now the external. So we go to question 3. Question 3 says, what was good about the coaching? We say increase commitment to work. It helps people increase the commitment there. Who's how they make laggardness because we don't say coach them for camp monitoring to the way they do. So increase the commitment to waiting who wants to coach they can. Did he say, what did you not like about the coaching? We say short coaching days because we only get 2 days. We want more days for them coach they can for camp coach me so that the business will grow more and more. And finally, question 3 says, what should we add to the coaching? We say add more days for coaching. We add more days, we'll continue for helping. So on behalf of the team, I will present this.
Bravo.
Can I go?
Yes. No, you are not the person. The lawyer and the magistrate, they don't need kids. Another group. And like this. Somebody come on a market, the shoes don't wear. But in meet up there, they make the shoes very fine. As they time meet up other group of people, they don't come on a market. Somebody is shoes wear. They pull his shoes, he says, see this shoes. He said, no, carry and go and then come la shop there. Go get that one the way they not die. He said that they work for you quick and then they do a fine. You see how they don't make this. Okay, well, they have it. Oh, yes, I think. Yes. Yeah, no people. He said, improve your offer. Improve your offer, meaning do what they make people that glad for camera. When they buy to you, let them glad for camera. Hey, that thing they na ready made. He said, well, that's in the box. What is also do nothing because of the kind where we don't package that.
No. Are the amount?
That's a wizard. What's the price? What's the business? Oh, roast meat. Or now the coat of himself in the same. How they did the flower goes to the only shop. You can sell at 2, then you go with it. You get one winner profit. This one I lost where they put now. You buy almost 3, you sell almost 2, you lost 21. Instead of our one. Increase your visibility. They say, make play is far. When say yes, I go in, we say so tell me 5 o'clock now and I tell you they come by 8. We wait by 7, you say no, yeah, we know they wait by 5. What if the customer will now best no one to best? They wait guys when they got for them like now number 1, he say customers free to book a table. What was he can therefore ask us? I can't tell now whose table I was door. And therefore show you the table when you go for that's by force. The one survive competition and the 3 happiness. And they believe they all watch themselves. All the ring they touch themselves because my Lord this way they make however competition tough, you dey survive. One of the competition are waiting. They say respond to needs of customers, respond to needs that customers value highly value. Always produce what the customer they want.
Now it's lunchtime. Guys, we are done for today. 4 o'clock, eh?
At 4?
Yeah, at 4. At 4 we don't. We are done for today, guys. We are going home. For tomorrow again. Tomorrow Sunday. Eh? Tomorrow we're not gonna go to church. We're gonna go to church. Hey, one of us skip church. It get for strange. We don't easy that skip church. So guys, stay tuned as I'm going home. Going home.